47व्या आंतरराष्ट्रीय चित्रपट महोत्सवाचो आयतारा पड्डो उगडलो। डॉ. श्यामाप्रसाद मुखर्जी स्टेडियमार जाल्ल्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्याक केंद्रीय माहिती आनी प्रसारण मंत्री वेंकय्या नायडू, प्रमुख अतिथी म्हूण रमेश सिप्पी, राज्यपाल मृदुला सिन्हा, संरक्षण मंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकार, मुख्यमंत्री लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकार, केंद्रीय आयुष मंत्री श्रीपाद नाईक हाजीर आशिल्ले। ह्या वेळार अभिनेतो सुशांत सिंग राजपूत हाजीर आसले। फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीतल्या फामाद ताऱ्यांनी ह्या महोत्सवाक हजेरी लायली। आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
You know, it represents the negative human tendencies. The wick of the lamp, it symbolizes our ego. The flame which is always looking up, it is representing the spiritual knowledge. Wow. The knowledge drains the oil and burns the wick, which is the ego.
And I think the wick has been burnt.
For all the auspiciousness, prosperity and happiness in abundance for the festival.
We have come a long way from 2004 and the years even before that. However, we must keep in mind that the year 2004 marked a milestone for us, for Goan's year. That was the year our beautiful state of Goa was declared as the venue of this prestigious film festival for the first time. Subsequently, in 2014 again, the Government of India went a step ahead and declared Goa as a permanent venue for International Film Festival of India. The festival is organized by the Directorate of Film Festivals, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, in collaboration with the State Government of Goa, and most important, the Indian film industry. Iffi is also recognized by the International Federation of Film Producers Association. Iffi aims to provide a common platform for the cinematography of the world. We also emphasize on our own Indian film industry, showcasing the impressive amount of culture our country has to offer. The festival contributes to the understanding and appreciation of film culture of different nations.
This festival surely demonstrates the film industry and very colorful culture, and because as the year, Korean films will. I hope you each and every films. The renowned filmist, Mr. Im Gwan, size of relationship between India. I believe what is most important is our cultural relationship.
Pranam. Good evening to everyone, my colleagues and colleagues from different parts of the world, and so many famous people here. I'm literally embarrassed, not to receive this award, literally embarrassed to know how ancient I am. I don't know how 50 years has passed, and I'm still singing, I'm still working, that is more important. I am very grateful to my parents who have given me this great, great birth, and to Mr. Kodandapani who has given me my birth as a singer for the first time, and to the entire film fraternity, my poets, my lyricists, my musicians, my co-singers, my music composers, my recordists, and the artists who glorified my work on the screen. And last but not the least, to all those listeners who have not forgotten me yet.
As we talk of social change, a national project of behavioral change of unprecedented scale has been set in motion in our country. On the 8th of this month, in the form of a withdrawal of high-value currency of notes of 500 and 1,000 denomination. This change process touches the lives of all citizens. The Prime Minister wants to have a real Swachha Bharat. Swachha mana clean, Tana mana dhana, Tanu body, clean the body, clean the surroundings, clean your home, घर को, दुकान को, मकान को, मंदिर को, मस्जिद को, गुरुद्वारा को, चर्च को, सबको साफ करना.